Welcome back to our channel, Campussifica. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of technology through the lens of a classified ads app. Whether you're a student looking for the latest tech trends or someone interested in app tutorials, feature updates, reviews, and more, you've come to the right place. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update. Let's jump right in. Number 1. App tutorials for technology. Certainly. Here are some common technology-related app tutorials that might be helpful. How to use Zoom. Zoom is a popular video conferencing app. A tutorial could cover signing up, scheduling and joining meetings, adjusting audio and video settings, sharing screens, and using other features like breakout rooms and virtual backgrounds. Introduction to Microsoft Excel. Excel is a powerful spreadsheet application. A tutorial could cover creating and formatting worksheets, entering data and formulas, using functions, creating charts, and analyzing data. Getting started with Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is a widely used image editing software. A tutorial could cover basic tools and features, such as cropping and resizing images, applying filters and effects, adjusting colors and contrast, and working with layers. Introduction to Google Docs. Google Docs is a cloud-based word processing app. A tutorial could cover creating and formatting documents, collaborating with others in real time, adding images and tables, using commenting and revision history, and sharing documents. How to use Spotify. Spotify is a popular music streaming app. A tutorial could cover creating playlists, searching and discovering music, following artists, downloading music for offline listening, and using personalized features like Discover Weekly and Release Radar. Number 2. Feature updates for technology. Improved user interface. UI many updates focus on enhancing the user experience by providing a more intuitive and visually appealing interface. Performance enhancements. Updates often aim to optimize the performance of technology, making it faster and more efficient in terms of processing power, response times, and resource management. Security enhancements. Technology updates frequently address security vulnerabilities and implement stronger encryption protocols to protect user data and prevent unauthorized access. Integration with new services or platforms. Updates may introduce compatibility with new services, platforms, or APIs, allowing users to seamlessly connect and integrate their technology with other tools or applications. Bug fixes and stability improvements. Updates often include bug fixes to address issues or glitches that were identified in previous versions, improving overall stability and reliability. Enhanced connectivity. Technology updates might include improved connectivity options, such as support for new wireless standards, faster data transfer speeds, or expanded compatibility with different devices. Feature expansion. Updates can introduce new features or functionalities to enhance the capabilities of the technology, providing users with additional options and tools. Number 3. App reviews for technology. TechConnect. TechConnect is a fantastic app for staying up to date with the latest technology news and trends. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and find the information I'm looking for. I particularly appreciate the personalized recommendations feature that suggests articles based on my interests. With TechConnect, I never miss out on important tech updates. SecureScan. SecureScan is a must-have app for anyone concerned about online security. Its comprehensive scanning feature checks for vulnerabilities in my device and suggests ways to improve my digital safety. The app also provides real-time protection against malware and phishing attempts. I feel much more confident browsing the internet knowing that SecureScan has my back. FitTech. FitTech is the perfect companion for fitness enthusiasts. It offers a wide range of exercise routines, personalized workout plans, and detailed progress tracking. The app's intuitive interface makes it easy to follow along with the exercises, and the video demonstrations are a great help. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, FitTech has something to offer for everyone looking to stay fit and healthy. Travel Assistant. Travel Assistant is a game changer for frequent travelers like myself. It combines a comprehensive travel itinerary organizer with real-time updates on flights, weather conditions, and local recommendations. The app's AI-powered assistant provides valuable insights and suggestions, making my travel experience much smoother. Thanks to Travel Assistant, I can now focus on enjoying my trip without any unnecessary stress. Number 4. Latest tech trends for technology. Artificial intelligence, AI continues to advance rapidly, with applications in various industries such as healthcare, finance, and customer service. Machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing are key areas of AI development. Internet of Things, IoT. The IoT refers to the network of interconnected physical devices that can collect and exchange data. This trend encompasses smart homes, wearables, connected cars, and industrial applications. The adoption of IoT devices is expected to grow, leading to increased connectivity and automation. 5G technology. The rollout of 5G networks offers faster speeds, lower latency, and increased capacity compared to previous generations. It enables advancements in areas such as autonomous vehicles, virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and smart cities. Edge computing. Edge computing involves processing and analyzing data closer to the source or the edge of the network, reducing latency and bandwidth requirements. This trend is driven by the proliferation of IoT devices and the need for real-time data processing. Blockchain. Blockchain technology provides secure and transparent transactions, making it useful in areas like finance, supply chain management, and healthcare. Applications include cryptocurrency, smart contracts, and decentralized finance, DeFi. Number 5. Student-focused discussions for technology. The impact of social media on society. Discuss the positive and negative effects of social media on individuals and communities. Explore topics such as online privacy, mental health, digital literacy, and the role of social media in activism. Artificial intelligence, AI, and its ethical implications. Debate the ethical considerations surrounding the development and use of AI technologies. Discuss issues like bias in AI algorithms, job automation, privacy concerns, and the responsibility of companies and governments in AI development. The future of work in a digital age. Explore how technology is reshaping the job market and the skills needed for the future. Discuss the rise of remote work, the gig economy, and the potential impact of automation on various industries. Brainstorm ways students can prepare themselves for the changing nature of work. Cybersecurity and online safety. Discuss the importance of cybersecurity and ways to protect personal information online. Explore topics such as password security, phishing attacks, social engineering, and the role of encryption in protecting data. Share tips and best practices for staying safe online. Privacy in the digital era. Analyze the concept of privacy in the age of ubiquitous technology. Discuss the trade-offs between convenience and privacy, the collection and use of personal data by companies, and the role of legislation in protecting individual privacy rights. Consider the impact of emerging technologies like facial recognition and biometrics. Digital divide and access to technology. Explore the disparities in access to technology and internet connectivity among different communities and regions. Discuss the impact of the digital divide on education, employment, and social opportunities. Brainstorm potential solutions to bridge this gap and promote digital inclusion. The role of technology in education. Discuss the benefits and challenges of integrating technology into classrooms. Explore topics such as online learning platforms, educational apps, personalized learning, and the impact of technology on student engagement and academic performance. Share experiences and strategies for effective technology integration in education. Number 6. Tech news and updates for technology. Apple's WWDC 2023. Apple recently held its annual Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, where it unveiled several new software updates. This includes iOS 16, macOS Monterey, watchOS 9, and more. The company also announced the transition of its Mac lineup to Apple Silicon chips. Tesla's Model S Plaid. Tesla launched its Model S Plaid, an upgraded version of its electric sedan. The Plaid model boasts impressive specifications, including a range of over 390 miles, a top speed of 200 miles per hour, and acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Google I/O 2023. Google held its annual developer conference, Google I/O, where it showcased several new developments. This includes updates to Android 13, Google Assistant enhancements, advancements in AI and machine learning, and improvements to Google Workspace. Facebook's name change. Facebook announced that it would be rebranding the company to Meta. This change reflects the company's focus on building the metaverse, a virtual reality-based space where people can interact, work, and play. Amazon's Astro. Amazon introduced Astro, a home robot designed to assist with tasks such as monitoring security, following voice commands, and integrating with smart home devices. Astro can navigate autonomously and features a built-in display and camera.